Hello, I'm Lucy from Winchester Caravans and Motorhomes, and today we're going to be talking about Isabella's Footstool. The stool can be used as a seat or a footstool. It's nice and portable, only weighing 0.94 kilograms. It can be folded up nice and compact, so it can be stowed away in a small compartment. The width is 40 centimetres, the depth is 27 centimetres, and the height is 47 centimetres. As a stool, the load weight can be 80 kilograms. The frame is aluminium, which is a durable and lightweight material. The fabric is 100% polyester, meaning it retains its shape well, is highly stain resistant, making it easy to clean. An excellent addition to the footstool is the Isabella tabletop, which can be placed on top to create a small camping table. The tabletop is easily attachable to the footstool. It's a durable material, making it nice and easy to clean and perfect for all weather conditions. So there we have the footstool and tabletop from Isabella.